A group home is a specialized residence providing a supportive, structured living environment for those who cannot live independently. In Georgia, these homes are vital, serving diverse populations from adults with developmental disabilities and older adults requiring supervision to children in the state's foster care system. For many, they offer a more personal alternative to larger facilities, providing families with peace of mind. Starting a group home blends business acumen with a profound dedication to human welfare, demanding empathy and rigorous adherence to state regulations. This guide provides a clear overview of the essential steps. First, research local needs to shape a viable service model. Build a detailed business plan outlining who you will serve and how. Next, choose a legal structure. An LLC can protect personal assets, while a nonprofit enables grants. Consult an attorney and CPA to project startup costs and navigate legal requirements. In Georgia, your license depends on who you serve. Apply through the Department of Community Health, DBHDD, or the Office of Residential Child Care. Before leasing or buying, verify local zoning. Finally, prepare for on-site inspections covering health, safety, and staff background checks. Passing these is your final step to getting licensed. Section 4. Staffing, training, and background checks. Your staff are the lifeblood of your home. Define key roles and hire for genuine compassion. Provide mandatory training in safety, CPR, and first aid. Finally, complete state and federal fingerprint checks and review relevant registries to ensure resident safety and maintain meticulous records. Section 5. Financial footing. Explore funding from personal savings, SBA loans and grants, and research becoming a provider for Medicaid waivers. Essential insurance includes general liability, property, and workers' compensation. Work with an experienced broker to bundle coverage and manage risk. Need a help? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed. Compliant band ready to serve your community with confidence.